different outfit every day, aren't you?
I am. That's usually how
Yeah, no. You can have like a bottle with bread. Go, baby. There, girl.
me.
Yep. Wave.
I have another air ride ready.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's getting audio now.
A whole lot of work, huh?
Oh, yeah. Front speakers, 800 watt Rockford amp, and he's doing the drop-in subwoofers. 2018 Street Glide.
And did you have all the painting done?
No, that was done out of Arizona, so I bought the bike in April of 2018, right after Bike Week up in Daytona.
Okay. And what are you having done today?
Putting in upgraded amp and speaker system and subwoofers.
There you go. You're gonna be rocking now, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Larry,
And where are you from?
Raymond, Georgia,
And what do you ride?
Road King,
And what year is it?
13.
All right. How many miles you got on you think?
I only got about 20,000.
That's not bad. That's not
It's
bad.
brand new with all
Yeah,
them
like
miles.
brand new to you.
Yeah.
And did you get anything done while you were here this week?
Not yet. We're working on it today.
All right. What you thinking about getting?
I don't know.
Oh,
I just have to run
have to
and
figure
see.
out what.
I already have everything, so I have to look for something new every
All
now and
right.
then.
And you watch our channel.
Yes, constantly.
All right. We appreciate that. We thank you.
You're welcome, Mr. Bob. Nice meeting you.
Have done to it.
We had all the lights put on the front, all the lights put on the back, cup holder, a phone charger, phone holder,
And a luggage rack.
and a luggage rack.
And what year's your bike?
2019.
2019. Where you guys from?
Alabama.
Okay, so you wrote it down?
No sir, we trailered it.
Oh, okay. First time you've done major.
We just got.
We just had it about a month, yes. We just had it about a month, so we're just getting used to it. Yeah.
Looks good. Looks good.
Way around it.
What did she decide?
She wanted lights all the way around it.
All right. Want to be safe. You want to make sure everybody
Yeah,
sees you.
Yes, yes, yes.
George.
Oh, well, we got Twisted Tea over here. And this guy right here can tell you all about our Twisted Tea.
Hey, how you doing everybody? Billy from Twisted Tea. If you've never had Twisted Tea before, it's real brewed tea with alcohol in it. Same alcohol it's in beer. It's non-carbonated at 5%, and it comes with a product guarantee. If you drink enough of them, you are guaranteed to get drunk. Getting laid? Now that's on you. Till we meet next time, keep it twisted!
somebody special today that we're checking out. Some of you asked us to stop by and check this guy out.
Right here we have with us Scooter Tramp Scotty. So what was your favorite place you've been to and riding to?
Well, for what?
Just for fun or for beauty?
For beauty, I'd have to say Southern Utah is America's best kept secret. And yeah, we know you have a motor that could rev.
Yeah.
We know that, okay. But the closest places I've ever been to paradise have been really in Mexico. I spent 4 months, just spent 4 months down there this winter. 6 months last winter, almost 6.
How'd you go actually down into Mexico or were you in Nevada? Which one you like the best?
I like the mainland better. Baja, I started by going into Baja because I lived in San Diego back then. But once I started doing the mainland more, you know, Baja's all desert.
Yeah.
All desert.
True.
Yeah. So I do real life on a bike for all those years. 'Cause I made a life that works on it. So that's what I have on my channel.
Yeah, so check out Scotty here, check out his channel, and follow him along, and we'll see where he's going to be on his next adventure.
Scooter Tramp Scotty, it's on YouTube. 3 words.
Hey, Thunder Beach, we'll see y'all next fall. Thanks for coming out. See y'all for fall rally.
All right.
See y'all next year.
All right.